Are you ready yet? Are you done yet? Why don't you lie down normally, baby? What are you doing? Do you want me to move the pillow? There you go. What is up, you guys? It's Kat. Welcome back. Do you like all the birthday decorations? There's actually more. I'll show you over on this side in a second. The other day was Tim's birthday and I had like this whole little setup when he got home. I'll insert a video right here of like what it looked like when he came in. And I've been purposely leaving everything out so that we could film this clean with me. I realized last year on his birthday, I did like a similar thing and we filmed a clean with me. I'll have that video linked in the description if you want to check it out. But I was like, that's so funny. It's like a yearly tradition of doing a clean with me after Tim's birthday. Isn't this the cutest picture, Callie? But today is Saturday, August 7th, 9:48 a.m. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kat. I make all videos centered around home, lifestyle, cleaning, organizing, positive mindset, routines. So if you're interested in that type of content, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Let me know in the comments if you're new so I can say hi. And if you're not new, still say hi so that I can say hi back. But with all that being said, I'm going to show you all of the messy rooms and then we're gonna make our to-do list and then we'll get to cleaning. And I'm gonna turn the AC back on because it's really hot. Do you wanna share the to-do list for today? First, just a base clean of the kitchen, living room, and bedroom, and then vacuum. I think I spelled that wrong again. I do that every single time. I apologize for my horrible spelling. And then one of the little like side projects, not side projects, but I want to wash my makeup brushes. I have the best method for doing this, so I want to share that with y'all. And then the big organization project, I want to organize above my fridge and like my top cabinets. I feel like in a lot of my recent videos, I've said like, I can't wait to organize the top of my fridge. So today's the day we're finally gonna do it. And then put away laundry. I have a load of laundry going right now, so we'll have to fold that and put it away. And what are you gonna do today? Are you just gonna chill and watch me clean? All right, cue the montage of all my messy areas. Love doing that, love sharing my messy home with y'all. Quick outfit of the day. Leggings are the Lululemon Align leggings, slippers are from FabFitFun, and the t-shirt is from my sister's closet. Okay, so diving right in, definitely gonna take care of the dishes first because as you can see, I definitely did not take my own advice from my previous video, which was 7 habits to always keep your kitchen clean. In that video, I talk about even if you're going to leave dirty dishes in the sink, like at least rinse them off and organize them. Clearly, I don't follow that all the time either. I will say I do the majority of the time, but for this video, I had not done that. So we have a lot of cleaning of dishes to do. So when it comes to storing my knives, I do love the look of a nice knife block on the counter, but since I don't have too much counter space, I didn't want to take up any room on there and I wanted to find more of a hidden storage solution for my knives, and I found this knife organizer off of Amazon. I believe it was like between $10 and $15. Highly recommend if you're looking for a similar solution to organizing your knives. Also, if you're curious what this box is, not sponsored, I got this off of Amazon. I just ordered it and it came in yesterday and I'm really excited about it. It was like 20 bucks, I think, for, I wanna say there's 25 in here, and then you get like these little bubble bars. I've never used a bubble bar before, so I'm not really sure. You just put it in there and I guess it bubbles, and then these little things. Very excited about this, but I'm gonna put this away for right now. Are you sun tanning? Are you getting your tan on? So next I'm just gathering up any dishes from around the condo so I can start the dishwasher, and let me know what you think. So Tim and I had this idea to put floating shelves in place of my wreath. I absolutely love having a wreath there, but I think doing like some wooden floating shelves there would be really, really cool. And it's exciting because I could decorate it, like switch out the decor for each season, and it would be a little bit of extra storage. I don't know if I'd really use it to store stuff, but I think that would be really cool. So I think that's something we may do. Let me know what you think. But now I'm just going ahead and wiping down the counters, which if you're not new here, you know is my favorite part. And just like when you're cleaning the bedroom, the first thing I always say you should do is make your bed, since that's the focal point of the room. Whenever I'm cleaning the living room, I tend to like to make the couch first. That way, once that's put together and looking nice and neat, it just makes the entire room feel cleaner, and I'm way more motivated to keep going. I get way too scared to like pop balloons, not something I can do. So we're just gonna like nicely open them up and cut them, you know what I mean? That's the game plan. So if you saw last year's video and some of my other clean with me's, like just when I randomly have balloons, whenever I have balloons like these types that have helium in them, instead of like just cutting them or whatever or leaving them right there, I like to cut their strings and let them go all the way up there. But it's just fun, like as the balloons start to lose their helium, and they'll start to like float around the condo, and I like find them in random places. Oh, Callie says hi. You're gonna see her run. Whenever she hears another dog outside, she does that. Can you see me? Yeah. Oh, shooters! That one went like in the skylight. I feel like that's not good. How do I get that out? That was really hard. Updated plan. I'm like sweating. Oh my God, my arm feels dizzy. Updated plan, we're gonna wait for Tim to get home because I feel like, since obviously he's a decent amount taller than me, him and stronger, him using that, like, cause it's heavy with the big umbrella, he'll be able to get it out and he'll be home. He had to go into work today, so he should be home around 12, I think he said. What time is it? It's 11, so when he gets home, he'll help us get that balloon out. Maybe I'm being paranoid, but I just feel like with the sun beaming down on it, it could like start a fire. I don't know, probably not, but that just makes me nervous. I don't want to get rid of these balloons. Like, I don't want to cut them just yet because they're so fun, but I don't want them here in the living room, so we may go hang them up in the office for fun. Also, I'm currently on the lookout for a new bed sheet set. Like, I need the fitted sheet with the pillowcases and the duvet cover. So if you have any sheet brands that you really, really like, or that you've used before and you know are very high quality but more reasonably priced, I would love to know what they are in the comments, because I have not bought new sheets in years. Like, it's been forever that I've had these. All right, and that marked our base clean complete, so I was able to check that off. And then moving on to vacuuming, I decided to only vacuum the carpets, or the bedroom carpet and the living room carpet today. And just wait, when we get to the living room, it's so adorable. Callie will sometimes like try and attack the vacuum. It's the cutest thing. You'll see in a sec. Let me know in the comments if you have a dog, if they do the same thing where they try and attack the vacuum, or if they just run away from it, or if they're just like completely unbothered and couldn't care less about the vacuum.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time love?
What's up, guys? Happy Sunday. Yesterday we did the base clean. It was so nice this morning to wake up to such a clean place. Today I think there's 3 more things we have to do. We have to wash our makeup brushes, we have to fold and put away the laundry, and then the big project that we're gonna do right now is up here. Also, just ignore, I know there's still so many little projects we have to do. When Tim was renovating the kitchen and we got this fridge, we realized that like with the piece of trim here, it wasn't like, it wouldn't fit. So he had to peel off the piece of trim. So he still has to put a new piece in, and I still have to paint all of this. Those are all little things that are like, you know, on that pending to-do list. All right, Kat, we gotta get to it, but I just haven't gotten to it yet. 4 areas that we are tackling right now are the top shelf in that cabinet, this cabinet, that cabinet back there, and then everything up here. And all of the rows on this cabinet need to be worked on, as you can see, but we're only gonna focus on the top one right now because that is what holds most of my baking supplies, but I don't bake that often. So I wanna move my baking supplies up there. We wanna make the above the fridge look pretty because I hate having stuff up there. I know I'm gonna have something up there, but I want to make it look prettier, use a basket or something. I just hate the way that looks. And I think I could definitely better utilize those 2 cabinets. So that's what we're going to work on today. Step 1 is to clear them all out. Now, if you're watching to this point of the video, I want you to take it as a sign that you should go ahead and work on whatever one of those like big projects that you've been thinking about doing. This is your sign to go do it. I feel like we all have this running list of declutter projects and organized projects and clean out projects and deep clean projects, and it's just never ending, and it feels like we're always adding to that list, but you know, very rarely taking away from it because we all have so many things to do in our day-to-day life that it's hard to find time to dedicate to one of these projects. But I want you to take this as a sign to carve out, whether it's 10 minutes, 15 minutes, an hour, whatever it is, some amount of time to work on one of the projects on your list. I'm speaking from very recent experience. You're watching it happen. That before doing this project, I was dreading it. It was one of those things that I just, you know, I really did not want to do. But while I was doing it, I had fun. Once you get going, it's kind of like your momentum starts and then you don't really want to stop. Like you don't really think about it. You just go, go, go. And then after it's done is such an incredible feeling when everything is organized and put away and looks neat. So this is your sign. Pick a project from your to-do list and go work on it. Maybe not right now, depending on what you're doing. You know, if you can't do any sort of organizational project right now, at least put it in your calendar or make a time to do it. That way you know that it's coming up. And don't worry, because I have plenty of Clean With Me videos that you can watch, so I can be right there with you while you're doing your project. And if this is you, let me know in the comments if while you're watching this video, you are working on one of the projects that was on your to-do list that you're finally getting to. That'd be really awesome. that looks so much better. Definitely not 100%, I'll be honest. I think what I want to do is find matching baskets. That would probably make me way happier with this if I go to TJ Maxx and get like a set of matching baskets. But for now, this looks so much better than it did. Tim's mom is coming over later for like a dinner for his birthday. So I don't think I'm gonna wash my makeup brushes just yet because I want to have them put away when she's here. I don't want them to have to be like on the counter drying. So I think we're gonna fold and put laundry away first, and then we'll probably end up doing the makeup brushes like later this evening. Oh, hi baby. What do you want? What do you want? Are you a good girl? I love you. You go to your bed. Oh, no, you go to your crate. What do you want? I'm following you. Okay, bye-bye. These two products make up the best combination for cleaning your makeup brushes. The pad was about $10, I want to say, from Amazon, and then this EcoTool brush or makeup brush shampoo was like $7 or $8. You just put a little bit of soap on the brush. You really don't need that much. And then you can see that the pad has different sections with like different levels and sizes of little grips so that you can really clean any size brush. And I find it so satisfying watching all of the makeup come off of the brush onto the pad, and then especially when you rinse the pad off, because obviously I do that in between each brush. I don't know, it's just very satisfying. You can see this cut in it. That's just because when I was opening up the bag that it came in Amazon, I cut it a little too close to the actual product and I cut some of it off. But they're both from Amazon. I'll have them linked in the description because I highly recommend these for washing your makeup brushes. And if you're curious, this little bamboo like spinning makeup holder is from Amazon. I absolutely love this. I'll have it linked in the description. I definitely highly recommend this though if you're looking for a similar organizer. Also, as you can see, the balloon is now not in the skylight anymore. When Tim got home, he was able to get it out literally within like 3 seconds. And I was recording, or I thought I was recording. I had the camera out, but I had not pressed record. And I thought about shoving it back into the window so that we could like get a video of it, but that just seemed difficult and a little extra. But update, it is not in the window anymore. All right, if you watched until this part, comment birthday balloon, because we had that whole birthday balloon scandal in this video. I wouldn't call it a scandal, but you know what I mean. I will have my entire Clean With Me vlogs playlist linked above me, and I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for staying for another video and coming back. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video.